Help support our coverage using Blueberry, the community that gives creators the ability to make money, get detailed audience measurements, and host their audio and video. Get 30 days to try out the service using promo code Blueberry004. That's BLUBRRY004.
We have our next guest here. Hello.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Very excited. I was just saying, obviously, we're fans.
That's nice to see. It's looking good.
I think between the network, we have 24 or so of these sets. So
that's awesome.
We love it. So introduce yourself to the audience who doesn't know about the lights above us and the company.
Yeah, absolutely. My name is Brandon Wolf. I'm the Director of Public Relations for Neewer. And our motto is, you create, we illuminate. And how we're trying to do that is by providing affordable lighting so you can better show the world your talents and creativity.
I appreciate you saying the name of the company out loud, because there's definitely a battle online over the actual pronunciation.
There is. I'm aware of this.
Whether or not it's a hard or a soft E. So glad to hear that it's a soft E.
Yes.
Fantastic. We will be able to pronounce it properly going forward. So what have we got here compared to the lights that we have up here?
So I brought, to start, some smaller lighting that I think, despite the size, is very much powerful enough for content creation, and like if you're streaming on YouTube or if you're on the go. I particularly like these lights because they're full RGB, plus the full range of hot and cold.
Okay.
And what's nice about them is that they have the cold shoe mounts all around them. So if you need more light, you can literally just snap these together and make it as big as you would need.
Okay, that's cool. So I can take this, put it on my camera, and then build around it a larger grid.
Absolutely.
All right, so you've made Lego light. I like it.
Yeah, that's good. I like that.
That's fantastic. So a little one would be fine under certain circumstances.
Yes.
The weird lighting that we encounter out here sometimes, you need something a little more powerful. So out on the floor, you could still accomplish that and click a couple of them together.
Yeah, it helps with some shadows at close range. It's very nice.
Very cool.
Then
I saw it's also got camera mount. So if you needed to do it separate from, you could do that too.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's cool.
And these other small stick lights, they have the same mount that you can put on, but also they're magnetic. So the back of them, if you have a metal desk or table, they'll snap right on. And they're also magnetic to each other, so you can have them and put a couple together and use it like a wand, an even bigger one, which I've seen photographers use whenever they're on the go instead of a wand, because then you can break it apart and throw it in your pockets.
Got it.
Which is kind of nice.
I'm not positive, but I think. No.
No.
I thought I was getting caught to it earlier with my watch band, but I guess not. Cool.
Yeah, so, and then also I brought something for the sound department, because lighting and visuals are great, but we need to be able to hear people as well.
Yeah.
So I brought our new lavalier mics.
Oh, okay.
The CM28s. And
it's a popular product category this year.
Yeah. These are exceptional. Like, I'm very, very proud of these. I've sent these out to a lot of reviewers, a lot of influencers, and I really wanted to put them to use in real-world applications.
Yeah.
And they're just performing amazingly. Amazing. And we're keeping them at a price point of like $120.
Okay. See, that's going to be a big differentiator.
That's huge.
Because, we know the brand that we see in all the videos right now.
Correct.
And if you know the price point, it's not that, for sure. It's significantly higher than that.
If not double.
I would say
it
double. The retail on it's double. And it seems like everywhere that I've gone on the show floor and seen copycats of theirs, almost identical copycats, are staying in that same general price range, maybe $30 or $40 off, but
and that kind of shows
that doesn't help everybody.
It doesn't, and that kind of perfectly shows what we're best known for: putting out high quality gear that's going to compete at a higher level, but we're still keeping it at an affordable price, because showing off your talents should not have any gatekeeping through your wallet.
Yeah,
we feel like that.
Yeah, you're proud of the product, but your price doesn't have to show it.
Absolutely.
because they're definitely proud of theirs. So can I?
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
All right. Obviously, I'm very intrigued by.
And the magnet on it is nice too, even through like, thick clothing.
So here we have adapters, I assume, for something. This guy or
Yeah,
this
for
guy?
the receiver.
Okay. So the receiver has a line out on it.
Mm-hmm.
So I can go from this to my
Put it in your phone if you
camera
have
or
like
whatever.
a camera, or you have a phone rig. It's USB-C. So
okay.
whatever you're
So-
doing film on.
So I can take this to a phone
Yes.
or a laptop.
Yes.
I can take this to my Canon.
Yes.
I can still plug in headphones to monitor.
Yes.
Fantastic. Power and dB gain. Okay. So
Yeah.
that's our receiver. I connect this over at my Canon. I'm literally thinking in my rig right now. So this connects to my Canon. This comes with me. This has USB-C, I assume, as a backup charge.
Yes.
Okay. Built-in mic, line-in mic, power, and then probably pairing.
Yeah. And then with the clip on the back, but it also has a magnet, so you don't have to have it like right on the edge of something.
Okay.
Which is nice. So that pulls off, and you can put that on the other side of your clothing.
Got it.
It's very powerful. It's nice.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, we want it to be able to go through like a polo or something. Not everybody's wearing a T-shirt all the time.
Right. So.
Gonna try it out. Moment of truth.
Absolutely.
Make sure it works. Looks good.
Yeah, that's not going anywhere. That's good. Okay.
Yeah.
That's very cool. And I have to find the back bit now. Okay.
All right.
And obviously this comes with a pair.
Yes.
That's what I'm seeing.
Yeah, absolutely. 2 plus the receiver. So.
Okay. So I can.
Great for interviews.
I was going to say, I can put that on the one on the guest, keep one on myself, go up, do the thing.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Are there, I know we have to compare it to the one that's out there.
Yeah.
And the one that's downstairs. One of the things that's made that one popular is accessories, like being able to turn it into a handheld mic. Do we have anything like that for this one, or any thoughts?
We're working on different accessories for it now, because this is just came out.
Got it.
So we are working on accessories, but we do many accessories. So for all of our other products, I assume we'll have it for this also.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
That's great. And the availability on this one?
It's available right now on Amazon and Neewer.com.
Awesome. Okay.
The other light I brought is the TL60 tube light, and this is our first light with DMX technology.
Oh.
We just started that. Yes.
Okay. Awesome. So obviously it's running on battery, because that's how we are right now.
Yes.
I see a power here.
Mm-hmm. DC20, I believe. Yeah.
And then we can power it. We can do DMX with it. How else?
Yep.
Okay.
Plugged in straight through the cables.
Okay. So not XLR style.
Right.
Okay.
So, yeah, we're just getting into DMX technology. We wanted to make sure we got it right before we threw it just in all of our lights. So it's in our tube lights now and our one RGB panel lighting.
Very cool.
So just giving people more options and, however they want to be creative.
Yeah, for sure. As always, I'm impressed with what I'm seeing. I'm excited about these things. That's a great addition to the lineup for sure.
Yeah.
Because, again, I know your quality.
Yeah.
This isn't all I have.
You need sound, so we want to make it so you can do, a complete setup with our stuff.
Yeah, really like it. What's the availability on the other things?
Everything's available on Amazon and all major Amazon platforms all over the world, and on Neewer.com itself.
And regular price points?
These are coming in at about 27, 26, 27. This is 198. But for the rest of, there's always a coupon code going on. Like right now we have one at CES, so it's just CES 24, and that's 25% off your entire order at Neewer.com.
Very nice. I know every time these go on sale on Amazon, I tend to pick up another set because they're so fantastic. And yeah, I tend to buy them on sale, and that's fine.
Yeah, that's why they're there.
It works. Yeah, it's why the sales are there.
Yeah.
I really appreciate you bringing this to show off. I wasn't expecting the mics.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to bring them. Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, of course. Thanks for coming up.
Thanks.
Have a good rest of the show.
You too.
The Tech Podcast Network CES 2024 coverage is executive produced by Michelle Mendez. Technical directors are Kurt Corliss and Adam Barker. Associate producers are Nancy Ertz, Clinton Millsap, Sergio Velasquez, and Terry Willingham. Voiceover by Aaron Hurst. Our hosts are Marlo Anderson, Don Bain, Todd Cochran, Scott Ertz, and Christopher Jordan. Studio and equipment are provided by PLUGHITZ Productions. This has been a Tech Podcast Network broadcast, copyright 2024.